The Black River Hospital, where a 3-year-old child died on Wednesday, is telling its side of the story this evening. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton visited the facility to learn what happened. TVJ Jamaica Mitchell reports.
An official at the Black River Hospital responding publicly about the circumstances under which a child died at the facility on Wednesday. Senior Medical Officer at the Black River Hospital in St. Elizabeth, Dr. Sharif Imoru, saying the child who died, 3-year-old Taisha Bennett, was seen by a specialist at the Mandeville Regional Hospital in Manchester on Tuesday. He said the child continued to complain about an hearing problem and was rushed to the Black River Hospital for care.
Was seen, was advised to continue the medications that the specialist has prescribed, and we added something more to the regime that had been prescribed previously. The following day now, the child returned with the mother with the complaints of the same earache, was actually triaged and was waiting to be seen, was triaged at 10 o'clock, 10:07, and at 12:15 was actually pronounced dead while waiting to be seen.
Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton, who visited the facility on Friday, says the death of the child at the facility is unfortunate. The Health Minister has also asked for the autopsy to be done as quickly as possible.
I'm being told that that can be done next week. The autopsy will determine the cause of death, and from there a determination will be made once we examine the process or the procedures that were administered in terms of triaging and seeing the child, given the nature of the circumstances, and of course combine that with the clinical assessment in terms of the autopsy.
Dr. Tufton says he will also be visiting the child's family.
It's very difficult when one loses a loved one, and particularly so when you lose a loved one in your arms, in this case a small child in the arms of the mother. And so we really regret what has happened. We want to express our condolences to the family.
Jamaica Mitchell, TVJ News.